Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please unblock challenges cloudflare.com to proceed. Dear user, Cloudflare is blocking access with a challenge page. To continue, please try these steps. First of all, disable browser extensions. Go to your browser, then click here, disable or remove from your browser. Now switch networks, try mobile data or different Wi-Fi and retry. Then use a different browser like Firefox, Brave, Opera Mini, etc. Next, scan your device for malware and remove any threats. For Windows, go to Settings, then click Privacy and Security, then select Virus and Threat Protection and scan it. After that, if you use a VPN or proxy, temporarily disconnect it or switch to a different VPN server. Update your browser and any security tools. Then reload the site. If the problem still happens, it happened because the server is down and it will be fixed shortly. Please wait for a moment. Thanks for watching.